Hey guys, welcome back to this video. I got a quick offer review for the Your Next Trip is on Us travel gift cards. Now I'm gonna show you that how to promote this offer. First up, we have to read the campaign description that says that your next trip is on us, complete our survey and get a prepaid card. So if you have a website on a travel niche, or if you have a YouTube channel on travel niche, what you can do is you can make videos or write articles on this specific offer and go ahead and build on the tracking link button. First up, we have to see that what kind of traffic is allowed for this offer. So the traffic is allowed contextual display, search, social, native, mobile ads, email, and our status it's approved. Your daily cap, this campaign does not have a daily cap. Countries allowed is United States, all device and operating system. So description is email submit, fixed $2.80 per lead. So the network EPC is pretty good, and we can see the banners, that how the banners look like. Okay, so we can now place this banner on our website. We're gonna go ahead and click on download. Quickly download the banner, and we're gonna go to our website, travel website, and I'm gonna go to parents, customize. So currently I have a WordPress website, so I will promote on my WordPress website. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this banner right here, the right sidebar, and I want to go ahead and click image, or I can upload on the desktop. Alright, so now we got our banner for the offer promotion, and now we're gonna go ahead and quickly copy out the link for the offer. We're gonna go ahead and simply build a tracking link. I'm gonna click on search, and we're gonna go ahead and choose the raw link. Now we're gonna copy this link and simply go to our website where we are adding this. Now you can also add this banner to your website along with a Pinterest account. If you have a Pinterest account with huge fan following, what you can do is you can simply link out your articles to the Pinterest, and from there you will get the traffic to your article, and then you're gonna go ahead and get leads on this specific offer. So this offer is pretty good, and I think this will go super good if you are going to promote on Google search traffic. So now you need to talk about this offer to your affiliate manager if you have any other questions. So I just showed you the simplest method to promote this offer. So I'm gonna go ahead and bookmark this offer, and we'll check out this offer later. Now also keep in mind that using inappropriate words like free, promotion via SMS or WhatsApp is strictly prohibited. This one can even get your account banned or the earning removal. So I hope you like what you've seen so far. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and press the bell icon for the MaxBounty related or CPA related offers. Thank you.